you guys, I am all ready. We are off to Destin, Florida, like the Taylor Swift song, for a long weekend. Nick is going to a conference. I'm tagging along. I'm going to work remotely tomorrow and Friday, and I can't wait to vlog. It's been 6 months without a trip, which is a really long time for Nick and I, so we are so excited to have a super fun weekend at the beach. Guys, we have landed in Destin. It was kind of a bumpy landing and it's 4:30, but we've somehow found ourselves at Starbucks because we really just didn't get a second coffee today, so we need some coffee. I'm getting a tall white chocolate macadamia cold brew, which I didn't know they were back. I'm so excited. I remember really liking them last year, but we're excited to be here in Destin this time as an engaged couple, because we were here last year, or not last year, we were here 2 years ago, and it's kind of crazy to think about like how much time has passed and like the fact that now we like live together and we're engaged and everything. So anyway, we're gonna order at Starbucks. So we're down by the pool and we got some margaritas because our room is not ready. It's literally 5:15 p.m. and for some reason our room isn't ready, even though Nick checked in yesterday, but that's okay because we got our margaritas and we're just gonna chill by the pool with our oceanfront view until our rooms are ready and we can officially check in, I guess, and then head to get some dinner. Update, our room is still not ready and we're on our second drink, and we ordered some food and we're having a change of plans. We were gonna go out to a restaurant and like change and stuff, but you know what? We're just gonna hang out by our pool tonight. This view is literally insane. We just checked into our room and we have a beautiful view of the ocean on our balcony. It's so pretty. Good morning, you guys. It's about 7:50 and I've already been up working for like over an hour at this point. There's a time change here in Destin, which is kind of nice. We're on Central Time. But Nick went down to the coffee shop and got me an iced coffee and a bagel. So I'm gonna eat this out here while I work on the balcony with the beautiful view of the ocean. I have a bunch of meetings today, but it's funny how like easy it seems to take 7 meetings with a view like this rather than like 7 meetings at your office. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be a great day. After work, Nick and I are gonna go to a Mexican restaurant and check out some shops and go to a wine bar. So that's what we have on deck for today. It is several hours later. I have meetings literally all throughout my lunch hours, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm not really hungry right now. I'm still kind of full from my bagel, but I thought I would give you guys like a little room tour, even though we clearly unpacked and got it a little messy, but I will show you guys our room. We're at the Hilton Sandestin. So you come in over here and we have these 2 bunk beds here. Could have literally brought guests. We have this little area here with a sink out front. I have all my toiletries over here. And then we have the bathroom in there. So we have 2 sinks, which is nice. Then of course we have the bed, and then we have a little coffee maker and a fridge. I have tons of space over here. All of my stuff is just kind of scattered around, and we have a little couch table area. We have a desk over there. I'm not going to show it because my work computer's on it. And then this gorgeous view out here. And I was working out here for the morning. So 2 of my meetings got canceled and I was able to go down to the little grill and get a Caesar salad with shrimp to go. There's my lovely $32 salad. that I will be eating as I prepare for my next meeting. Update, I finished my salad. It was really good. I don't know if it was worth $32, but it was really, really good. They do a great job of like blackening the fish here, which I love. It's so like seasoned and flavorful, but I'm gonna hop on this call. I have 2 more calls this afternoon. I have a pretty significant gap between the 2. And the one is kind of like, it's gonna be kind of a stressful call. So hopefully I can get through those 2 without too much trouble. So this is my pool fit. I'm wearing this one piece from American Eagle and these white linen shorts over top. I immediately changed as soon as the workday was over, and I'm gonna go to the pool for about an hour, and then Nick will be done with the conference and then come back here and change for dinner. I'm so excited to go to the pool. It looks so sunny and nice out right now. So this is my outfit of the night, my Lily Pulitzer dress and these cute little shoes I got from TJ Maxx. They're Dolce Vita. And we used my knockoff air wrap for the hair, which I liked because it made it faster for sure. We are at the shops at Grand Boulevard and we're walking to Cantina Laredo. What are we gonna get? Guac. Guac. We're gonna get guac. We've been so excited because they make the best tableside guac. Mojito taste test. I'm very picky about my mojitos, so we'll see if it lives up to the standards. I give it a 10. I think it's really good. At Altered State. I will show you later, but the sales girl that checked me out was so nice. She was a gem and she was actually born in Pittsburgh. It's such a small world. I feel like we constantly run into people that are either from Pittsburgh or Cleveland. Good morning, you guys. I got my Starbucks iced coffee. I think someone is mowing the lawn, so it's probably really hard to hear me. I came inside so you guys could hear me better. I don't think they were mowing the lawn. I think they were actually blowing leaves because it stormed pretty bad here. I woke up around 2 a.m. and there was like a lot of thunder and stuff, and I think it's supposed to storm again this morning. But after that, it should clear up and the rest of the day should be nice. It's actually like a little chilly here. It's like 60 degrees. So I popped on my sweatshirt. But as I was saying, I got my We Proudly Brew Starbucks from downstairs. Last night we went to Cantina Laredo. It was honestly kind of mid. Like, I feel like the food, I remembered it being a lot better. I don't know. Nick and I recently have been to a lot of really good, like, authentic Mexican restaurants in Pittsburgh. And like the guac was just not hitting there last night. I thought the chicken was really flavorless and it just like wasn't as good as I remembered it being. The mojitos were really good though. They used like a lot of fresh mint, which I love. Then we shopped around. I went to Altered State. The Altered State down here is amazing. They have so many cute things. I got a t-shirt that says "In My Lover Era," which I went to wear my bachelorette in 2 weeks. And then I got this like really cute green long sleeve Free People dupe. It's so cute, so cozy, and it was like $14. So I was like, oh my god, like I have to buy this. We also went into like Anthropologie, Lululemon, a couple like little local stores. I didn't get anything in any of those stores, but it was just fun to shop around. Then we had some wine at Venti Wine Bar. It was really elevated. At first they like put us in this back room because you can also get dinner there. But then we were like, no, we'll just sit at the bar. We don't need to be like the only people in this back room. It was like super, super romantic, and we weren't planning on ordering food because we had already had dinner. So we ended up moving to the bar, and I had a Sancerre there, which was the first time I've ever had that kind of wine, and I really liked it. It was definitely similar to Sauvignon Blanc. So if you like Sauvignon Blanc, try a Sancerre. But anyway, I have another work day today. It's not as busy as yesterday, but I've already pulled some reports and done some things that I needed to do. Love, you know, getting that extra hour here. It makes me feel like so far ahead than normal with everyone back home working on East Coast time, and I'm down here in Central time, so that's been nice. But yeah, that is the plan for our Friday. The waves look so rough today. I don't think you can really tell from up here, but there's so much wind. I am going down now to meet Nick for some lunch by the pool. Hey you guys, I just grabbed lunch with Nick. I got another shrimp Caesar salad, and I wanted to show you guys what I got at Altered State last night because it's so freaking cute. Oh, they wrapped it up so nice. I feel kind of bad taking it out now. But this was like the biggest Altered State I'd ever been to. It was so good. And I got this pink t-shirt that says, "In my lover era, I'm having a lover-themed bachelorette party in Nashville in 2 weeks." So I thought this would be perfect. I might wear this like on the plane, either going down or coming back. And I just thought this would be cute for this summer too, just because I'm obviously getting married. I love Taylor Swift, and yeah, I'm in my lover era. So I feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. And then this is like the Free People dupe. Oh no, my phone fell. Okay, this is like the Free People dupe, and it's just this like really soft green oversized shirt, and it was really affordable. Yeah, $14, and I feel like I'm just gonna get a lot of use out of this. So that's what I got at Altered State. I haven't been shopping too much because saving up for the wedding, but I felt like these two items were really good deals, and I like them both a lot. So we have started our weekend down by the pool with some drinks. I got a Tito soda lime, and you got some sort of key lime concoction. And they're playing Bill Vassar, Paradise, and fun fact, I went to see him in Consequence. This is my outfit. It's another repeat. It is a yellow dress from Express with the Dolce Vita shoes. I wore this in Capri last year when we went to Italy. I decided to scrunch my hair, which I feel like is such a rogue decision because I feel like it could either turn out really well or like you could hate it. And I'm actually really liking it. I feel like my hair scrunched pretty well today. I feel like there was like a good level of humidity in the air that kind of helped it get wavy. So yeah, I just wanted to do something beachy and quick, but we're going to dinner at the Baytown Wharf. I think we're gonna try to go to this place called Hammerheads. We went there when we came here 2 years ago, and it's like on the water, and they have really good seafood. And then we're just gonna kind of bop around the Baytown Wharf because they have like a lot of shops and restaurants, bars, like everything like that. So that's where we're gonna head out tonight. And it got really sunny out and warm, which is awesome because I was afraid that it was going to be like super rainy for the rest of our trip, but it ended up clearing up. Finished up our dinner at Hammerheads. Now we're walking around the Baytown Wharf. I got a little laptop sticker, and I think we're gonna go check out this fancy hotel bar up here. So on our quest to find this hotel bar, we stumbled across a garden party wedding, and it's actually 3 months exactly till our wedding. down to the pool, and today is our last full day here. I got myself an iced coffee. At first I ordered a cold brew, and they're like, cold brew is out. Do you want an iced coffee with 2 shots of espresso? And at first I thought they just meant that I want like 2 shots of espresso over ice, and I was like, sure. And then they charged me $11.24, and I realized they were making me an iced coffee plus 2 shots of espresso, and I was like, wait, I don't want that. I just want a regular iced coffee or the 2 shots of espresso over ice. Like, I don't want both. And so then they like scratched that and re-rang it up, so it was all good, and I ended up only having to pay $7.34 for this. But I'm just gonna be hanging out here by the pool and the beach. I think Nick is going to the conference for most of the day, but I think he's able to get out a little bit earlier today, since he's gotten most of his education credits or whatever they're called. So that is what's up.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade.
We just finished up with lunch, and I got a cranberry mimosa, and now Nick is changing, and we're gonna hang out at the pool for the rest of the afternoon. Okay, you guys, it's much later. I can't show my outfit because the sun is coming in at such a crazy angle, but I'm wearing this Lily Pulitzer dress. It is around 6 p.m. and we're headed to Lulu's for dinner, and then we're gonna check out a rooftop bar. We were in the sun all day. My shoulders got a little red, but that's okay. Hopefully they'll be okay. And I was just getting ready and listening to some Taylor Swift, some Tortured Poets Department. But I'm sad it's our last night. I feel like this trip went so crazily fast, but we want to make this last night like our best night, and we just really want to enjoy it.
They're really good and refreshing. We're just waiting for our table to be ready. Ours literally has chocolate sauce.
So today is our last day here. Sad. We're getting ready to check out of this beautiful hotel. We had a great time. Last night we went to Lulu's and we had some seafood, and it was really fun. We're gonna go grab breakfast at the hotel, and then it's about an hour-and-a-half drive to the airport. So thanks so much for watching and following along, and I'll see you next time.
Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, oh yeah.